I am 1082 level. So this our goal here is to reach 1100 and help somebody to raid. Strongbow zone. I need more couple more level and we are 1100. I've been grinding all day. I've been grinding every day. I'm grinding every day. So this is improvement.